So I stumbled across this community merely by happenstance. I had no clue this was out, and I like to pride myself in knowing what's going on in the entire area. My name is Jorge de Jesus. I'm your Katy Texas realtor, and today we're at Summerview. It's an MI Homes community. Prices are going to range between 270,000 to about 500,000 on the big air end. Uh, you have about 23 floor plans to choose from, and right now they are pre-selling during the summer. Your first few builds will not be ready till after the summer. So right now, what I would like to do is take you to the model home and show you the first model they actually have on the ground. I don't have a ton of information about this community. I would definitely make an update video in about a month or so once they get things rolling. But as from you can see, they've pretty much set everything up to start selling a lot of inventory homes. Now, what is an inventory home? An inventory home is whenever the home is already close to being built. That means that no changes can be made. Usually means that if if somebody wanted that home to be built, that particular one, for the sake of selling it, because that person backed out, what they're doing is they'll give you a discount. So when a community instead does inventory homes from the very beginning, it's just usually 10 to 15 homes just to get the ball rolling. So you'll likely have that in this first section right up the street here. Uh, Again, pricing from 270 to 500,000. That's some of the lowest pricing in the area right now. There's one other community that has way lower pricing, but the homes are much smaller. So here you're looking at anywhere between 1,300 to up to 3,000 square feet. Let's go check out that home. So it's expected that most of the homes, or at least the first section of homes, will be completed around beginning of October, maybe a little bit earlier, since it is so early in the process. That's why right now I'd love to get you an inside scoop on one of their biggest homes, the biggest one-story home available for pre-sale right now. This home is going to be the Balboa plan. It is about $350,000 base price. It is 4 bedroom, 3 bath, and it's got some neat features inside. I don't say that lightly. I really, really like this home. Let's go check it out.